Alright, there we go. Now we back up on it. Oh shit, we should be back up on it, goddamn it. At this point. I would hope we are. I will hope we are. Yo, I know my John probably look crazy. Crazy. We're going front. Damn. This move is retracing. There we go. Yeah, I don't know what happened, man. This YouTube thing, man, it's crazy, man. I feel like this thing got it out for me, dog. For real. Let me stop playing. But nah, man, looking at GJ for real. GJ's setting up to be very sturdy. Very sturdy this morning. I'm not even gonna lie. So I want to kind of talk about a little bit about how I caught this position real quick. Forgive me, I know I got like quite a little bit of a lot on my screen, but yeah, I want to kind of talk about how I got this move. So pay attention. I like to kind of show things on naked charts a little bit, just for like the best version of clarity, I feel like. And basically overall, we're in an overall uptrend, right? It's been a pretty bunch of a ranging week, but I could say if this was like the last market structure level right here, and I'm gonna kind of like alleviate some of these markings for the simplicity of the charts real quick. And then I got this lower time frame fib. Let me make it only visible on the I want to say from the 1 hour to 1 hour, right? Yeah, there we go. So now my visibility is only on the 1 hour to 1 hour. So basically, what you're seeing here is GJ was basically at a higher low from like right here. We shot up. This is 23.6, and we shot up all the way up here to 0%, right? So then we come back and we retrace to this previous higher low point. It's not a market structure higher low point necessarily, because at this point in time when it was right here, it's a 23.6. So if you know what 23.6 means, it basically just means like trend continuation. You feel me? Give me 1 second. Trying to get into the details of the mix. But yeah, pretty much with this 23.6 that it's making right here, 23.6, like overall when it comes to structure, it means like you're either gonna consolidate or you're gonna range or whatever the case may be. So because it's a 23.6. What 23.6 basically means is that price is either gonna range or it's gonna consolidate very aggressively. So because I know that, I basically just wanted to keep it within the means of just let me see 1 second. Yeah. So basically with the 23.6 that it was forming right here, I know that price is either gonna retest very aggressively and continue in the direction of trend, or price is gonna consolidate. So because I'm like super like I guess like aware to this already, not letting it kind of distract me at the market. I'm really trying to flow with it, right? Obviously it'll make a pullback and continue. Long story short, boom. So when you get your fib, we came back to right here, but we ended up using this area as overall support. So there's a small little thin little zone that kind of accompanies this overall area that was really kind of being our define point for like our area of like support in this overall area. It's thin, but that's pretty much it right there. So with that area of support, that price went ahead and made. I know at that moment in time, like when we were retracing, we came back and like we respected. Now, right off the back, whenever price is dropping, I normally don't know where it's gonna find support or resistance at. It's usually just based off of, I guess, like being patient and kind of waiting. But this is one thing I want to kind of point out. We did have a, I guess like a equal, I guess like an equal high in a sense, right? Like we did have an equal high, and it was basic. Oh, hold on. It was basically like this 23.6. So once I kind of realized that that's what was going on right here, where we was over here is where we're expecting that over here, I knew we were kind of good to kind of take positions. Now, I want to say this move has kind of been annoying as shit. I'm not going to lie. And it's really just because like we've been in this defined range for like so like long, right? And what I mean by so long, like let me just backtrack it a little bit more. Here we go like on the daily. On the daily's perspective, like literally right here, like within this area, like where it did this push up, like literally like as you go lower to like a lower time frame where you have like more data, this is where this time frame potentially broke structure. Now I only say potentially because it, in all reality, it did not break structure right here. Damn, we're going down. Fuck. I may have to close out some positions. Yeah, I'm back to my goal. I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all probably gotta understand like how much I mess with y'all. I've been really trying to like set this up for like an hour, and I was in profit like 9K. I really should have closed out for real, but no love lost. It is what it is. Hopefully I can take a lit entry in front of y'all, and we can get this thing jumping for real, for real. That's what I'm looking to do. But again, just gotta kind of take these positions like where it just makes the most sense for me and everybody. But yeah, even like a move like this, right? So basically, we basically know where we are within structure. Like in a nutshell, like we're at an area of support, but like we're in a range too, if that makes sense, right? Like we're not fully like there where we need to be, but at the same time, like we did make our support area right here, based on like the higher time frame. What happened to my fib? That's just crazy. The fib gods is violating. Hold on, the fib gods is violating. Hold on. I need my fib on the daily. I don't know what you talking about. But anyways, boom. So as of this moment in time, like this is basically where we were. So once I kind of identified that we were attempting to respect 38.2 within this fib level, like I was then engaged like to take a setup within this area. Now, the only thing with this area that I must say that's like been like the most annoying was like we just got this breakout, but then we came back, and I want to show y'all particularly, like we literally came back. Like if you see right here where buyers took over, like we literally came all the way back down for our retest, and that's like one thing that I be trying to explain to everybody with GJ. Like GJ is always gonna come for its retest, but like you gotta kind of look like based on where you engulfed from. But not only that, like you gotta kind of look over here to the left too and see if you have any sense of structure, because like once you have a sense of structure when it comes to GJ, you can flow with price action pretty simplistically. I can see we're kind of going back up here in price, so that's kind of good. But once you kind of have a sense of structure where you are, boom. So like you'll see up here, like I have a bunch of time frames. Like these time frames, I'm literally flipping, cycling through them, trying to make sense of structure as it's going, so that way I know where price is gonna mitigate from. So like now I'm gonna come as low as the 1 hour. This fib that I have on the 1 hour, I could really show it on the 4 hour too. I don't want to be too picky. Let me see. All right, I did something wrong there. Hold on. Maybe I need to do 4 to 4. Let me see. Maybe up to the 4 hour. Maybe is that how you do it? There you go. Yeah. So really and truly, like again, once I kind of figured out where I was within price, it was simple as just trying to go after the market structure area within price. Now, in a sense, you could potentially have a trend line right here, but it's not really going to be valid, I feel like. In my retrospect, like, hold on, let me delete this. It's not really going to be valid in my retrospect because of like where we are within price as of right now. Like, you know, like your trend line's supposed to hit from wick to wick, but like this would have gave you the intent that price is gonna go all the way down here. And it's not to say that it's wrong, but like I really try to focus on like lower time frame structured trend lines. I feel like those are a little bit more easier to kind of flow with price action because as you're going down, it's gonna kind of just be easier for what you see. So let's like come down to the 1 hour, right? Let's show how some of y'all could have caught this move and everything of the such. Like it's easy as day, like in this perspective, to see the trend. Like lower high, like right here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then so on, right? And then obviously we tried to make a transition. We were arranging, then we kind of continued the downtrend motions from like right here. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this push up broke basically this last market structure lower high. So that's how I knew to be kind of engaged and ready with the overall trend. So I'm going to add an eclipse right here. I like eclipse. Eclipses are probably like one of my favorite tools because it helps me know. And if I backtrack now, even me backtracking is supposed to add some sense of simplicity in like what I see within structure. So, boom. If this is making sense to all y'all, just, you know, drop a 1 in the chat. I say something. Say something if this is making sense. I hope I'm not talking like blah 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 blah. You feel me? But yeah, like so it was really like once this push up kind of came and we made this new high, I was like, all right, cool. We're definitely ready to go up. Now it's just to kind of like gauge it, and you know what I'm saying, and see like where price is trying to show me that we're going. So once again, I kind of like peeped that. I was like, cool. Once I peeped that price was like kind of ready to go up, is cool. So now this is the hardest part, right? Let me kind of use a little bit of the rewind tool because this is like, I feel like the number one thing that affects a lot of traders, right? And it's the patience factor. So back in this moment in time right here, we didn't know like what was gonna happen, right? We didn't know what was gonna happen. We didn't know where price was gonna flow. All we know is we had data. So in this scenario, like what I recommend that everybody should do is you should be going down to your lower time frames and you should be able to kind of mitigate or be able to like engage with like structure. So this is how structure looks to me. It may look somewhat different to you, but at the moment in time that price is doing all this, this is what I'm seeing as structure, despite all the data that we have, right? So like price is making crazy lower highs that are being maintained within price, and then boom. So then now we push up, right? We push up, and now we're right here with it, right? So at this moment in time, when this move is going on, I'm thinking, okay, what's on the left is gonna affect the right, right? So then boom, I have a demand zone that I can make from this body to this wick. I would have stretched it across, and I would have saw the interaction. And based on this 1 hour time frame, keep in mind it's the 1 hour time frame, I would have saw that, hey, we were testing this 50%, and then we were trying to kind of make support at like 38.2. You feel me? Does that make sense? Like with this game, like you got to do your best to like not get lost in the sauce. Like I feel like for me, like it's so easy to get lost in the sauce, but this is why we do something called top-down analysis. And with top-down analysis, you're basically going to start from like your highest time frame possible, and you're going to work your way down to the lowest time frame possible. You feel me? So I feel like with that overall perspective, I just personally feel like when you allocate that mindset towards it, you're really looking at the highest time frame worth of data all the way to like the lowest time frame of data to kind of be concise with like where you are within price. Again, keep in mind, it's easy to get lost in the sauce, but like this is why we kind of have certain practices in motion so that way we don't get lost in the sauce. Yes, GJ, she going back up. Need to kind of give me back my moolah. But boom, long story short, we interacted off of 38.2, and at this moment in time, if you would have just went down to the lower time frames, you would have saw the engagement. Price would have came down. You would have had this zone right here. You would have saw the interaction right here. And it's like the lower to go, the more details that you're going to see. But you can see easily like how a higher time frame setup that was really based off of really when we broke risk structure, when we made the high, this overall move, I want to say, was dictated really off the 1 hour, because this is a 1 hour zone. So like what I like to do personally, like black is like for support and resistance, uses supply and demand. That's a whole nother topic for another day if y'all guys don't know where I'm coming from. But I like to color coordinate things so I know. So like the 1 hour, everything I do on the 1 hour technically is going to be in red. So that way, if I ever was supposed to backtrack to a higher time frame, I kind of know where I am without having to like cycle based off of what data I'm looking from. So like for example, you can see I got the bigger fib on there, and forgive me because I don't even want this to be visible on the minutes right now. The only fib that matters is this one, right? As I'm going down lower and I'm engaging with what I see within this area, like you're gonna get to a time frame to where the data is gonna look precise for you to kind of take your entry. Now, when it comes to this, right? Like when it comes to something like this, this is like where you want to really kind of pop out doing like your support and resistance areas. So like you know where price is being engaged with at certain areas. Like if I'm if I'm talking facts right now while I'm live trading, do me a favor, give me some flames, give me something. Let me know. Am I saucing y'all up? Am I giving y'all enough sauce right now? Cause like I ain't gonna lie, like I'm breaking down like how I really go about these moves like in the morning time, or like what's my mindset, or like what's my patience. God damn, GJ. GJ is violating me right now. I ain't gonna lie, I probably should close that position. I'm literally like about 20 pips in drawdown on that top position. Damn. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close that shit. But again, like if I'm giving y'all the source right now, if I'm helping y'all, like let me know, man. Gas me up, sauce me up, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like let me know, man. I'm trying to make sure that as a day trader in this day and era, like everybody has what they need to like be the best version of themselves. So that's what it's all about. I don't know. I've been thinking about doing something like this a little bit more often, where like probably like I stream me live trading, like the ups and downs, like throughout the markets and everything like that. I don't know, make it like a little series. You know what I'm saying? Like where I live stream. I literally want to dedicate probably like a week or 2 weeks, or maybe even a month to just giving back to the community and just live trading with everybody. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, GJ is violating. I know we're in the middle of giving y'all some sauce, but I am live trading, so allow me to get back to it, because I gotta figure out the fuck going on. GJ is just violating me. Yes, exit this mode. Damn! So, I ain't gonna lie. It's giving entry. Hold on. It's giving entry for real. Hold on. It's really giving entry. Hold on. Let me be a little patient. Let me see something real quick. Alright, cool. Let's see. Alright, let's see where we are in price. Can we backtrack to the 1 hour? Like, what's going on? Okay, so buyers is struggling, still at resistance, right around here. So that's clear as shit to me. Like, we're still struggling to break this area. So essentially, what price is trying to say is like, hey, we need more momentum to continue to go up. So now when I go down to the lower time frames, do I have any area that's being used as support and resistance? I do. This overall area right here is being used as support and resistance. So let me see, we go down lower. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. It's looking pretty clean. We came back. So let me see. We shot up from yesterday when I called the move and took it. We came back. We dropped down and we made our first higher low. So let me see. At what time frame did we have a transition? Because whatever time frame we had the transition on, that's the time frame that's going to be leading with structure. So let me see. Damn, it looks like it's the 3 minute. Yep, it's the 3 minute. So from down here, let me kind of draw let me draw my perspective on how I see how the transition of price kind of came through. I see it like this, right? Right, we We were maintaining, we're doing our thing, then we shot up, retested, and it was really from like right here that when price mitigated, like we're really using support and resistance in this overall area to continue at price. Like if I was supposed to draw like a random line right here and show y'all, you would see like support and resistance being used within this defined area. So now that I'm kind of like aware of that and aware of price action and what price action is trying to do, I can see most recently that price came back to this low point and then it pushed up from here. We were doing some steep retraces and then we blast off. So now I got to figure out what time frame is trying to get its retest. Because in the motion of GJ doing this, there's a time frame that's trying to get its retest. It looks good for me to take a buy right now. I can't front, but I want to make sure I have all my T's crossed and my I's dotted before I kind of engage myself in the market. I don't want to kind of just, you know what I'm saying, like just put myself out there. So I want to kind of make sure I'm trading under careful conditions as well. So yeah. I can see, like I said, that we're having like a bunch of like rejection right here. So I do see this. I see on the 30-minute right here that we have a zone, it's particularly from right here, that's really been engaging with price a lot throughout this old defined area. This is more of a support and resistance for me, so I'm going to make this black so I can be engaged with it as I backtrack up. And I can see that, hey, we're really mitigating and making good structure from this overall area, but via the higher time frames, like it makes sense. But you can see over here, we were used as resistance, of course, which started. We came back, we retested the QP, we came back, did some aggressive and ugly ass retests. But now, the last time everything priced that we came and rejected, we really respected it right here. The bodies are priced it and we shot up. So I can say via the 30-minute, it is a good technical to have. It's not the best right now, just because price is mitigating so much through it, but it is one that can help me be engaged with this area, just because this looks like an area of major support and resistance. So throughout this overall area, I'm gonna then just drop my my support and resistance areas, so that way I know where I'm being engaged with. So from here to here is 25 pips. So I feel like within here I have 1 to 2 attempts that I can take to kind of get this right. I really want to land it on attempt number 1 though. So let's see. Yo, there's no time frame that's speaking volume right now. Okay. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go for the buy. Fuck that shit. It's looking good to me. I'll deal with the consequences later. Call this impulsive if you want. I don't care. Alright. I just added the order to it. Y'all probably can't see it because I need to fix it. But I got in basically at 504. So I'm not tripping. And look at that. Look at momentum. I got in right here and look at momentum. Just look at momentum. Just look at momentum. Look at momentum play its part. Look at that. Simple. And now when I enter, I'm only entering on this time frame. I like to enter on the 1 minute because, like, me personally, I like to have the best risk to reward possible. You feel me? Like, it's really that simple. Like, a lot of people say, hey, the 1 minute is too much this, the 1 minute is too much that. Like, boom. So then my stop loss for this area is going to be underneath that same 30-minute zone that I did. And now you can see the confluence within this area. So if we go down, we're supposed to be rejecting. So now, y'all guys, yeah, y'all definitely can see all my positions. I need to fix it. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Got a lot going on here. Hopefully that did the trick. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to wait and see if this shit updates. Let me see. But, like, now you kind of can see, like, where momentum and buyers just kind of came in and took over. So, literally, we're looking litty. Hey, man, if you guys are enjoying this, you know, all I'm saying is y'all can sauce me up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm fucking with y'all. I'm on here giving gems. Just do me a favor. You know what I'm saying? If you fucking with it right now, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? Repost your boy on the gram one time, you know? Tag me, repost me on the gram, you know, comment, engage with me, rock with me. Just let me know. I feel like I'm giving y'all sauce, though. So now that I took this entry and I know where I am within price, the entry that I really have at the top, I really should be closing it out. I don't want to hold on to my losers, but it is what it is. I have enough equity, positive equity, to keep me balanced with this trade. If I go down any more lower and I was supposed to hit stop loss, maybe then I'll hop off. I'll close the position. But as of right now, like, I feel like I'm good. So like, now that the 1 minute has played its part, you can see that buyers really came in. Now right here, we do have like a tad bit of like resistance, but I don't feel like it's gonna be nothing to kind of interact with price. I'm gonna make this probably like a blue so we don't get confused off the colors. So now when I go back to the 3 minute, the biggest thing that happened right here is that I like to use a lot of candlestick analysis. And with candlestick analysis, it kind of helps me understand what's going on at price areas. So like, you could see over here as where price was going up in a trend, right? You can see the trend, right? Remember, one thing you always got to remember with Forex is that the trend is your friend. You dig? So you see like right here how we're not coming so tight in the direction of trend? Like, price is just trying to get its retest on what happened to the left to affect the right. So like, now that you draw your trend, you kind of want to come on here and look to kind of see where you are and see where you're interacting with. So you know how I drew this zone right here in the 45 minute? I really have one that's interacting perfectly. And with this buy, you could kind of see right around here. Again, this is why I like zones. Right around here where we had resistance, then we had support, then we had resistance, then we had support. This zone is the real zone right here. Like this one that I drew based on like the 30 or the 40, really the 30 minute. It's cool and everything, but that's like for like a higher time frame rejection. This one that I just drew on the 3 minute, this is sauce. This is complete sauce right here. This is what I need to be lit. You could see like risk to reward rise. Let me go ahead and slap this bad boy on there so y'all know what I'm talking about. And like, y'all let me know. Like, I feel like for a live trader in this generation, shout out to everybody else that's doing it though, I feel like I'm just one of the best, right? Like, cause like I feel like I keep my emotions intact. I'm not scared to take a loss in front of anybody because that's just what comes with the game. But at the same time, I don't know. I love what I do. I love what I do. I'm super passionate about it. I feel like I need to kind of creatively express myself a little bit more when it comes to this. You feel me? But as of right now, risk to reward wise, it says at 84, but in all reality, that's just based off the stop loss. If we're basing off the exact interaction that price had from where I entered, I had no drawdown. I had no drawdown when I called this buy. So really and truly, this was just one of those trades. And like, this is how the long position is meant to be used. Or the long, the short, however the hell you want to call it. This is how it's really meant to be used in my eyes, right? Because boom. Let me see. Somebody just tagged me on Instagram. Shouts out to Tremendous FX. He took the buy with me. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. If some of y'all took this buy, tag me and let me know, goddammit. Tag me and let me know. You feel me? I feel like I'm giving y'all nothing but sauce right now, man. And you know, like this, I feel like this is what trading's all about. But back to the risk to reward factor. This trade went instantly in profit. You know what I'm saying? So if you look at the risk to reward ratio, the numbers is going to be crazy because we went instantly into profit. Like, but that's the type of precise and accuracy that you need to have when trading GJ. Another thing that you need to have is a plan of motion. Like, I don't like going into the markets blindly. I like to have my plan. I like to know what I'm doing because, like, it's so easy to get lost in the sauce in this game. Like, it's so easy. Like I can't even explain to you how easy it is to get lost in the sauce. Like right now, this move could fly up like 50, 60 pips and like some of us won't close out. I have a goal, and like we're trading on a prop firm. It's a little bit more details like when it comes to like I guess it's a little bit more detailed when it comes to like what you can and can't do. So that always keeps me in line and like what I need to do. You feel me? Again, guys, if I'm making sense, let me know. Touch the stove. Give me an emoji. Give me something. I'll be telling y'all to source me up. It's early in the morning, and you know what I'm saying? Like, we killing it. We killing it. But essentially, this buy that I just took, you can see I'm already in profit, roughly about, it ain't too crazy, but roughly about like 14 pips. So that's cool. That's cool. But keep in mind, like, it's the risk to reward I'm more so concerned about, right? Because I want to maintain my track record. Now, me looking at this, I can see that right here in this lower time frame trend, that this was the previous lower high. So if we could break this and push up, we'll be good. We'll be good. We'll be good to continue going up. Now, that counts for the 3 minute. Not so much the 5 minute. The 5 minute is really up here. God damn, we getting momentum. Yeah, come on, man. Let me get a 10K day on this thingy. You feel me? Let me get a 10K day. Shitting me. But yeah, more so like I feel like, again, like, this is more so important. Just, again, like, keep yourself engaged with, like, where you are within price, because I feel like that's what's gonna matter the most. Throughout everything you're doing, like, that's what's gonna matter the most. So let me see. So now the 10 minute has 28 seconds on it left. We just need to make sure that we break above this seller's candle. If we do, the 10 minute would have confirmed that, hey, this is being used as the higher low to mitigate price to a higher action. Even if it closes within 50% of this candle, that's still enough volume to use it to say, hey, we're going to go even farther. So we got 4 seconds left. And as long as it closes like this, even with that little bit of wick, I'm confidently okay with holding my position down here. You know what I'm saying? So, like, next is TP2, which is roughly around here at 20 pips. And this is how I do it. I like to flow with price action. I don't mind giving these fancy projections, but I like to have fun with trading. It's cool to tell you that, hey, we respected this 38.2 on this fib level. We're going to go all the way to negative 27%. Right? Like, that should be my analysis. But when I'm in the mode, when I'm in it to get it, I don't care about none of that shit for real. I'm just trying to make sure I flow within price. So we could see that we did a good job, especially right here, where it should have been used as resistance to go up to the upside. So I'm pretty much cool with that. So now what I want to do is I want to flip to the 10 minute, because the 10 minute just closed. And I want to see the parameters of the retest. We no longer need this. We no longer need this. We don't even need market structure for real. Now I'm looking from the left to the right, and I can see that within this area where we pulled back and we came and retest, we use that same zone that I drew on the 3 minute to retest this overall area. Listen, I'm floating 7K. I'm about to be floating 7K with y'all. Damn. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and cap. I did take a couple L's on this prop firm. You know what I'm saying? Trying to rush myself, trying to be in a rush to make money and shit like that. Dumb shit that I know I shouldn't be doing, to be honest. So I had to give myself a pep talk this morning. I said, man, what the fuck are you doing, Drew? Get your head back in the game. And like, this game, like I said, is all driven off of patience. So I'm just trying to be patient and just be one with my process. You feel me? So we're flowing 7K right now, which is cool. I feel like pip-wise, I'm good, right? I'm already up 20 pips from this position that I added, which is, this is the position I added at 504 right up here. You can see right there. I think it should be highlighted for y'all, if I'm not mistaken. This one right here. So this is the position that I added, and you can kind of see it right here. It says that I'm up literally like about like 12, 13 pips or some shit like that, which is cool. But, you know, price is mitigating. You just have to keep in mind, like, when you're doing your calculations on like where you should be at, you always got to kind of include spread within that. So spread is being a little bit of a motherfucker right now, but it's all good. We ain't worried about it too much. So now let me do my high time frame bias. Yeah, bias is really taking over smooth. Now watch this. If we do push up for like 30 pips, that would be amazing, right? That would be amazing. But this candle in all reality has like a minute left. So I don't know the reality of that, of it gonna be pushing up so high, because after every bullish engulfing, who could tell me what comes next? What comes next after every engulfing? Let me know. I'm waiting to see. Let me know what comes after every engulfing. Damn, nobody will know that what comes after every engulfing? I'm waiting for y'all to say it. Sheesh. A retest. There we go. So after every engulfing comes a retest. So what I want to be aware next is that this move, it should pull back. Maybe it's gonna pull back to where buyers engulfed to continue that smooth momentum. I would really need to use the lower time frames, but when you look at like where I've entered, look at that wick. So this is like a sexy ass trade to me. This trade is super sexy. You feel me? So it's like now, woo! I ain't gonna lie. We looking super Gucci. So now, with this position that I added in, I'm looking good. I'm floating 7K. I know if price could at least come back to this QP, I know I'll be looking good. I don't want to get too greedy because I feel like 7K is like way more than enough. My goal is like from 6K. So in all reality, I really should be closing this, but it hasn't really given me a reason to close quite yet, and I'm really trying to flow with the trend. You can see on this time frame real quick that we have a whole bunch of sellers. So watch this. I want you to look at these past 3 candles because this is the past 3 hours worth of data. And buyers first rejected this area, then sellers tried to come. They were exhausted from this area. Then sellers tried to come back in again. They came all the way right here to where we took over previously, and they were exhausted. And if you look at this price that's right around here, it says like around 489. That's close to the 500 QP. So when you look at it, all we came back was we did a retest within price, and now we're flowing the price to the upside. So I can see buyers. Woo! We at 8K, no. We at 8K, no. Sorry, gotta get my system. Let's get back to it though. But yeah, you can see like price action is looking real good for this buy. Yo, this crazy question. Did anybody happen to take this buy with me? You know, I'm not a financial advisor or anything of the such, but you know, like if you just so happen to copy what I do while I'm on here, like you know, you're doing that at your own risk, but you know, like, did anybody happen to take it with me? I'm just curious. Did anybody take this move with me? Shit, I mean, because this shit is looking good. This shit is looking juicy. You know what I'm saying? So now we hitting the QP. We're not 30 pips up yet. We're like around 20. We're just about 25 pips up, which is not bad. But yeah. Damn. Yo, listen. If y'all took this entry with me, I need to see y'all entry. I need to see how lit we are. I need to see the communication. I need to see the confidence. If you took this entry, stop what you're doing right now and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is Druzy Banks. That's DREWIZE Banks. Tag me on Instagram right now with your entry. I want to see it. Because that's crazy. That means that communication is good. Know what I'm saying? That mean y'all fuck with your boy. Gonna lie. So, like I said, man, we're looking real good within price right now. We just made it to the 750 QP. So let me go down to the 1 minute real quick. I want to see the interaction that's happening between this. So, if we could just get a bar to do something like this. If we can get it's doing it now. I was gonna say, if we can get a bar to do something like this. And like the next candle does something like this to retest it. And then the next one just continues to go up. Something like that. Like we'll be Gucci right here. That's what I'm looking for on the 1 minute, or at least on the 1 minute through like the 7. Let me see. Come on, don't finesse us like that, bruh. Get up there, man. Get your ass up there. Come on. You know you want to go up. Look at spread. Up. The corny shit. We're going to give it some time, though. The price is still mitigating in. I'm off by like 2 micros. Let me see. Because, oh, yeah. Yeah. So we're just going to give it some time to breathe, though. Because now what I'm feeling like could happen is we could come back to this defined area and use it to make a retest to have enough momentum to push back up. So now it's not all the way inconfluent with my higher time frame buys, but is this something that could happen? Okay. So as of right now, with GJ overall, we have collected 26 pips since the time of taking this. 26 pips is fire. 26 pips is fire. I do have a live, so I see like a lot of y'all are asking me if I have a live trading group. I definitely do have a live trading group. I strive to do this like every day. The link will be I believe the link is in my Instagram. No, I lied. The link is not on my Instagram. Check my stories. I know I posted on my stories on the gram. But yeah. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn. We got 30 pips on the live. Woo. Let me know who's doing this for y'all. We got 30 pips on the live, man. Just about. Damn. I ain't gonna lie. We got to see what's going on right here real quick because we get a little exhaustion. But buys are still here to stay. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Come on. You might as well just give us that 30 pips, man. Stop playing with us. You can't stop this. I'm on the 1 minute right now just to watch price and engage price. Remember, we kind of got the little retest right here during this movement, but this is like aggressive momentum to kind of continue. I can see that buyers are a bit tired though. That is a sign, but as long as we maintain above this QP, we're good to continue to push up. I also want to change my other time frame perspectives because different time frames need to respect the QP before price continues as well. So let's just see. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, and who knows the buttons to screenshot on a Mac? Who knows the buttons to screenshot on the Mac? I forgot that shit. I'm trying to screenshot this. I think this would be a good thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Because right now, we basically... Alright, here go the retest. Hold on, here go the retest. Let's see. Alright. Where's the wick? Come on. Give us the wick. There we go. Give us the wick. She ain't strong enough. Give us the wick. She ain't strong enough. Come on, maintain. Atta girl. Come on. Don't embarrass me for my friends, yo, because GJ be liking to show out. GJ like that little sister that likes to show out in front of people. And you gonna be having to pop on the back of the head like, motherfucker, get right. Alright, let me see. The 3 minutes showing that buyers are still rejecting away from this area, but now sellers are trying to engulf. Sellers are basically trying to take over right here. And this is how you plan your exits, right? So if sellers were able to like kind of engulf and you didn't want to continue to go through this, like you could potentially hop out. That would be like a sign to hop out. But it's like it's 50-50 right now, to be honest, because sellers don't have enough momentum. This wick means that sellers should be all the way down here, but they don't have. They're exhausted from going down, which means that we're using this as support. So that ain't no front. It's looking good. It's looking good. Alright. Going front, it's looking good. Alright, let's hit the 5 minute showing. Nah, the 5 minute is holding. Oh, the 5 minute was holding. Let me see. And keep in mind, this is the previous lower high that we got to break. So like I'm saying, we probably will come down for momentum and come back up, whatever the case may be. Which I'm cool with. I'm cool with it for now. But like I said, I shouldn't really be ODing at this moment in time. I really could have took profits because we hit 28 pips just so far in this move. I really could have took profit and really would have been chilling, but y'all know how it'll go. When you got your eyes on the bigger prize that you want, you ain't worried about certain things. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, that's probably me right now. Like, don't get me wrong, like I'm super, I guess, engaged with what I want with price, but I'm also not really worried about it. I don't know. Y'all feel like these live trading streams are successful? Y'all think I should do these more often? I don't know. I'm really trying to grow doing this. So, y'all know what I'm saying? I don't know. Y'all think I should be doing this again? I don't trade on Fridays. This is like my last day trading for the week. So, after this I won't. But maybe y'all, I don't know. Maybe I'll give y'all some analysis for this week. Maybe I'll record a Sunday breakdown for y'all that I'll upload to YouTube once the market closes or whatever the case may be. So y'all guys can have that. I'm $11 from passing my FTMO demo challenge. Need to prove to myself that I can bounce back from blowing accounts. 100%. And listen, man, I do everything I do for my community, man. And Deshaun, you got that, bro. Just keep that shit going, man. Keep that shit going. So at this moment in time, we are doing a pullback. I'm gonna let it flow. I'm not trying to let the little move bother me. I'm trying to let it flow. As of right now, it is gonna mitigate probably somewhere from the 1 minute to the higher time frame. I have the areas that I need to look out for here or here. So I saw this coming, so I ain't really tripping. This is what I like. This is what I counted for. Hey, man. Free bands, my guy. What's going on, man? I should have had you in this move. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. We're going to do some more of this. For everybody that just trying to join the stream, where we are right now is like, we entered right here. We didn't go into no drawdown. We literally went instantly in profit after I took the buy. You know what I'm saying? And I said I was going to take it. We went instantly in profit, and, you know, this is where we at right now. We chilling. I ain't gonna lie though, this shit is looking nice. You know what I'm saying? This shit looking juicy. This shit is looking juicy. Alright. Now you just starting to bug out. Now you just tweaking. But even though it's tweaking, like, even though price is bugging right now, like, the biggest thing is just remember support and resistance. Like, you gotta kind of remember that with price action. So even though price is striving to mitigate and do certain things, like when you look where you got support, when you look where you got resistance, when you look where you got all the details at, right? Like, price could potentially come back like right here and then do this. I like to flow with the candlesticks more so because it's these candlesticks that's really gonna give me the source that I need. But it's given that it should find some type of support within this range and then push up. So I'm more excited to see that. So I don't know. Come on now. Listen, when it comes to like anything with the drama EK, niggas don't deal with that, bro. Like, I'm a grown man. I got a daughter, I got a kid. If anything and I have extra time, I'd rather be looking to put it back into the community or to put it into my daughter before I engage in drama. But listen, man, there's a bunch of live traders that's really doing it in this thing called life, and I just want to say shout out to everybody that's doing it live and showing people that It's possible, and there's a way. Do I trade my own capital? Yes, I can trade my own capital. Am I trading my own capital now? No, this is FTMO's money. This ain't my money. This is FTMO's money right now. You feel me? So I'm trading on this prop firm right now. And you know, maybe for YouTube, maybe I'll buy one. Maybe I'll live trade it on YouTube. I don't know. It's just an idea that I'm throwing out there. I think it would be good. It will be some pressure, but I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Bro, can you move your screen to the right? Because your logo's in the bottom. But you don't need to see what's over there in the bottom, bro. You need to be able to see where my entries at, where my prices at, and everything, man. Are you swinging this trade? So I feel like I've been day trading it, really and truly. I'm still. Am I holding? I believe I'm holding some positions from right here. That's what's really giving my equity. So I like to. The thing is, like with FTMO or with any prop firm in general, like when it comes to scaling, you gotta flow with price. It's not one of those things where you could place multiple entries and then handle going in drawdown. You gotta place one entry at a time, and if price is giving you an option to continue to flow, then you gotta do it. But when you add those entries, you gotta have a stop loss, or else you're gonna blow your account, or you're gonna take more than what you need to. So every move has to be calculated, but it has to be calculated smartly. So like you'll probably like scaling in wise, you'll probably get clapped up a lot, but you gotta kind of do it where it makes the most sense, so that way you have the best risk to reward. I like to use my previous equity from my last position to help me with my future position. So that's more so like how I like to do it. I ain't even gonna lie. That's how I like to do it. So we looking good though. I'm not even gonna lie, we looking Gucci right now. Let me see. Yeah, so buyers, let me see, let me get all this noise out real quick. So it's almost like a doji, but buyers is rejecting this area, which is kind of cool. Let me see. Yeah, this candle is gonna show that sellers is exhausted. Yeah, we still gotta wait. We only got confirmation up until like the 5 minute, which is pretty alright, but it's not enough. It's not enough. Turn this back on. Yeah. Confirmation up until the 5 minute is cool, but we need more than that to maintain. Let me see. Why did I trade GJ? I ain't gonna lie, man. GJ's just always been one of those pairs where it does a lot of sporadic movement, and I know like with GJ, like it throws off or it may, you know what I'm saying, like confuse a lot of individuals. So I try to like keep the peace with trading the pair. And I personally feel like trading this pair has made me a better trader altogether. So it's why I always strive to continuously trade this pair. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it just makes me better technically, psychologically, like everything. So this pair really challenges you psychologically and technically. But like, you know, if you're right, you're right, and it feels damn good to be right on a pair that does a lot of sporadic movements. More so right now, it's really moving towards trend a little bit more smoothly since we did this original push-up. But man, before, like look at this, like we was bouncing, we was like, this ain't even normal volume for GJ. That's the craziest part. Alright. Alright. Yeah, okay. Okay. It's giving exit. It's giving exit. Maybe I'll take my 7 bands and tell GJ F off. Let's see what happens though. Oh yeah. So we must be going for the 15-minute retest then. Damn. Now I feel like at this point, like I'm just in it. At this point, I feel like I'm just in it. So screw that. I feel like mental stop loss and profit. I feel like if it don't do what it needs to, my let me see. Let me put this blue line here. Let me make it yellow. It's gonna be where I need to close the trade. So that yellow line right there, that's gonna be like my mental stop loss and profit. Fuck that. If you want to come back to where we just came from, shit, you could do that. I just won't be in the move with you. But right now, right here with buyers engulfed, we are respecting on the 7 minute. Yeah. So now that I'm thinking about this, now that I'm in drawdown, and I've realized what's really going on in my life right now, if we do go back up, I'm just going to take profit. That's how a lot of traders be for real. When you should have took profit, you just like, man, I want more. And now that you think about it, you had the opportunity to take profit. But I'll be honest with you, it's all about staying vigilant to your plan and just making sure that you trust in your bias and you trust in your analysis. See, that's the thing about me. I don't care what nobody says. Everybody named Mama could be on here like, yo, GJ's about to drop 500 pips. Yeah, that's good for you. I need to be able to see that data. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not going to lie. I'm floating like 7K right now. My goal is for this funded account is anywhere from 3 to like 5K. I'm well over that. So I feel like if the move does pushes up more from here, I kind of want to take profit and just enjoy my life. So yeah, I'm gonna see what opportunities presents itself for me to exit because I don't want to overtrade. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, I trusted my analysis though, so buyers are still active with price right now. We haven't completely engulfed this candle, but you can see that buyers is starting to come back in, come to the 3 minute. So they're really trying to see if they can maintain this area. Let me see. Sellers are a bit exhausted based on the 5 minute, based on what price is saying. So we really came all the way back down here. We didn't do the retest with the zone, but we did the retest with the QP. Not the QP, the, what time frame? What the hell? What was this? Was it a 10-minute retest? No, it was like a 20-minute. No, it was like a 5-minute. Damn, what time frame did I draw this shit on? Oh, the 7-minute. So we came back into the 7-minute retest of where buyers took over, and now we're pushing up in profit. I'm 7K in profit right now. And yeah, let's see. Does buyers have enough momentum to keep it up? Or should I just take my money and walk away? Damn, Sale. Sale come in here talking shit and then try to be my best friend. How'd that work? Hey, I got some people whose lives are really sad. I'm not even gonna lie. It's only sad because people try to come on here and do a whole bunch of negativity and thinking that I give a fuck. That'd be the most funniest part. People be trying to come up on here with that negativity shit and be thinking that I have fucks to give. Oh man. Tell you, boy. I feel like, yo, we live in a world of like clout chasers. And it's cool to toot your own horn, whatever floats your boat, but I ain't never give a fuck what a hater had to say. That shit don't make me. But we're looking good. I'm really seeing if we're gonna mitigate back up to the 750 QP, and if we do, we're Gucci. I mean, like, I'm not really worried about people like the haters here, cause like I could instantly purchase a bot, and whenever they start hating, boom. Or I could just have somebody mediate the chat, and then just kick his ass out. So I'm not really worried about it. He's only here for a little bit of time. He really should have took this buy so he don't got to go to work today. That's what he should have did. Should have took the buy with me, so that way when we go up, boom. That's what I'm saying. Damn, Sell, you should have took the buy with me, dog. Why you didn't take the buy? Oh, you're in a sell. So damn, if you're in a sell right now, you're probably in drawdown. Well, it all depends on where you took yourself from. Where did you take yourself from since you got so much to say? I'm curious. I'm curious. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gotta love y'all haters, man. I just want you to know I appreciate the hate that you're trying to bring. But all you know what I'm saying? All he is a sad soul. But I ain't gonna lie. You probably should have took this retest instead of telling me it was gonna go down. That's what you should have been focused on. Instead of hating, you should have been putting your money where your mouth is and trading. But see, that be the that be the problem with these haters, man. They be trying to come up on here and tell a nigga how to trade and shit like that, and shut the fuck up. I'm floating 7K in profit right now. I just called a live trade for everybody to take with me. You know what I'm saying? Get on my level, please. Then we could talk. In order for you to hate on me, you at least gotta trade better than me, or you at least gotta impact the community better than me. You know what I'm saying? What is you talking about? Lame ass little boy. Niggas be lame, man. Niggas be lame, man. Niggas be lame in real life. I promise you though, like, y'all probably, I ain't gonna lie. This is like how I handle negativity like on a regular basis though. I'm not even gonna lie. Like whenever negativity comes my way, I just look at it and I just be like, man, am I gonna engage with it? Because if I give it energy, it's gonna stay. But if I don't give it energy, they probably gonna shut the fuck up. Either or though, I'm gonna be okay. Cause now I'm 8 grand in profit. What the hell? The hell is Buddy talking about? Yes. Woo! I'm about to close. I think 8 grand is cool. I think 8 G's is cool. I ain't even gonna push it. Cause that scaling that I did was worth it. I went through it with the retest and whatnot, but I had my plan and I knew it was gonna do what it was gonna do. I just had to be patient and watch it. So now that I'm at the standstill of where it is, I'm content with taking profit. Like, I wouldn't care if it wants to blast up another 200 pips, another 50 pips, another 60 pips. Like, I really wouldn't care. Because when I'm thinking about it right now, my goal for the day would have been completed. So, I ain't gonna lie. I'm jacking this right now. Give me my 8K, and I'm probably gonna just close out. Alright, cool. Thank you, Lord. Where we at with it? Let's see, where we at with it? Damn. I took too long to take my 8K. I took too long to take my 8K. Opportunity's gonna come back around for me to close out any second now. I just gotta be engaged. Alright, I got my 8K. Alright, listen. I'm done. I'm done. Let me see. God damn it. Damn, bro. Damn. Damn, GJ. I see what you're trying to do. I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to build momentum. Alright, fuck it then. I'm still here in this place. Fuck it. Fuck it. I see what's going on here, man. Fuck it. Fuck it. Gotta ride till the wheels fall off. I should have took my AK. I'm over here messing with sale and shit. I should have took my AK. See? That's what haters be trying to do for real. They be trying to throw your sauce off. You feel me? You feel me? I'm just trying to get my 8K on the trigger, man. That's it. That's it. It's like, damn. Why you being weird to me, GJ? What the fuck is going on? What you trying to do? I thought we were past this already, GJ. I thought you agreed that we were gonna use this little retest area to push price up. Are you trying to tell me you don't have enough strength? Come on now. Come on now. Did I still? I'm gonna get another attempt on my exit. Because sellers right now, they are trying to push down. They don't have enough momentum quite yet. They are doing their best to continue pushing price down though. So based on what I see where we're at, let's change up the time frames a little bit. Let's see. Let's look at just price alone. So we're still, in a nutshell, we're still kind of mitigating even over here from this being resistance to support over here. So that's good for a long-term bias. And the only thing is that price can come back to retest over here and then push off. So that's a lot to go through. But that's only if we do go through that. You know what I'm saying? Price can very much just go up. Or price can take my ass out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, man. I don't know. I see it going up. Yo, what y'all think? Y'all think price is still gonna go up, or y'all think we're gonna go down? Let me know. I feel like, man, price should be good to mitigate to the higher time frame. That's how I feel. Yeah, we looking good. Yeah, we looking good. We looking Gucci. Yo, that's what I was saying though. I was really saying that we should be going to the 82,500 today. You know what I'm saying? I feel like we good. I feel like we're good. It hasn't really given me a clear reason to exit yet. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to wait. Yeah, because that rejection that we have at this area is looking pretty fire. I can't front. Alright, let's see. Yeah, we're still maintaining. Ooh, ah. Alright, buyers. What y'all saying, man? What y'all saying to me right now, man? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Damn, bro. Yep. I'm gonna make sure I set this little line like right here. And I am good. Screw that. Screw that. Let me get my let me see. Damn, this guy knows my whole life. Oh my god. He said I sold my car because I was struggling and I needed more money. Sold my car because I had a lot of miles. I think I sold it with 26,000 miles, if I'm not mistaken. I bought it with 19. It was an asset that was starting to depreciate, that I was getting bored of. It was an amazing car, but it was super delicate. And I actually sold it and made a little bit of profit. It's actually on public record. You can see the car that I sold based on the VIN number and see how much I sold it for online. So, you know, I just feel like people shouldn't talk where they don't know. The guy says I'm selling a course. I don't even have a course. I'm fucking dead. What course I got? Tell you, boy. Yeah. This is given. I ain't gonna lie. The way how this setup is looking is giving exit. Yeah, it's giving exit. Yeah. If it continues to do what it's doing, it's probably gonna be time to get out of this move. I could wait longer and wait for price to do what it's doing, but I don't think I want to do all that for real. Because these sellers, they're starting to strive a little bit too aggressive now. Yeah. These sellers are starting to strive a little bit too aggressive now. My dog said it's giving bumper clock consolidation. You damn right it is. This shit is crazy. Alright. If it breaks this retest area, I think I'm just gonna take profit and just be done. There is more patience that could be added into this, but I don't think I want to risk it. Like 6K ain't bad for real. My goal really is 5. You know what I'm saying, so I ain't really tripping. But if I can get some more out of it, I'm finna get some more. So let's see. And buyer's momentum is looking crazy right now. Cause it's like it's there, but sellers is taking over pretty aggressively. Alright. And then there's some more. Now we gotta break this zone and continue to push back up. Okay. Alright, so this momentum is just, this shit's doing what it always do. It's playing. This shit is playing. Alright. Ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Okay, buyers, flex the muscles then. Okay, buyers, flex the muscles then. I ain't gonna lie, y'all know what this means, right? This means 8K. This means 8K, and I gotta have that trigger finger ready. Cause if it does go back to 8K, I gotta be like bing, 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 bing. And I gotta just close it out. I gotta be a sniper with the finger. Damn. Let me see. Trading GJ, boy. I'm telling you. If y'all don't learn anything from me, learn that this pair will test you. But if you could chill, or if you can come out on top, you'll be alright. Let me kill some time. Let's see. Sellers got it. Just get out. Drew probably don't even have a strategy. I just saw sell. Drew probably don't even have a strategy. I saw his trades on the 50 pip drawdown, and this guy is sleeping with 200 lots open. You see that rejection? What time you got? I missed the beginning. I don't even remember what time I got in. I ain't gonna lie, guys. Take this and take this like with a lesson. And in everything you do is either gonna be lessons or blessings, and you just gotta kind of take the process for what it is and flow from it and build from it. That's what I personally feel. I feel like based on technically what I'm looking at right now when it comes to GJ, is we should be good to go back up. Just gotta let it breathe a little bit. I'm gonna trust in my analysis. I'm already here. I'm gonna let it breathe. I'm gonna let it take me to the promised lands, and not me take it. Because if I take it to the promised lands, I'm getting out right now. I ain't doing that. But technically, this pair is definitely gonna put a mental, I guess is restrain the right word? This pair is definitely gonna do some things to you mentally. But if you could, understand it, come out on top, you're essentially good. And that's why I like trading this pair. Like, a lot of people ask me, like, why GJ? This pair just tests your psychologicalness, like, so good. And I personally just feel like because it does test your psychology, it's what makes you better as a trader. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But let's see. Let me see. I ain't gonna lie. Where's that bar at? Let me see. Let me see right now. I can go to YouTube Studio. And I can manage my live that I'm on right now. And contents live. I don't want to watch it. Let me see. View control room. And then let me see. We're basically at 700. My dog said, take the 7K. I'm dead. Oh man, these people be funny. Nah, I ain't taking the 7K, bro. I'm not settling. Even though I know I probably should, I ain't settling. GJ looking like he's doing burpees. Yo, bro. GJ, man. GJ's definitely been a lit pair. I'll tell you that. GJ's definitely been lit today. Yeah, I kicked them out. They were being annoying. Got time for that shit. I'm not here to babysit grown men. The hell? If you ain't coming in here with a purpose, you ain't finna stop what we got going on. Fuck that. Get your ass out. Yeah, I kicked them out. Keep that shit simple. Why you buying when it's a rejection off the 1 hour? Let's see what you see. Yeah, that's more reason to buy. Am I bugging? Prices rejecting where buyers took over. That's how I see it. I don't know. That's how I perceive price. I don't know. That's what I took to buy. Can't front. He said he got liquidated. I'm dead. Hey, listen, man. I get it. I would be mad too. Just saying. How you come up on somebody's thing hating? Make it make sense. Oh, I see that little logo y'all talking about. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Alright. Yeah. We definitely should be good. And I'm going to go take my profit at this 8K. Alright, GJ. You're going to bless me, darling. How much time does it take me to be profitable? I mean, I've been doing this for like 8 years, going on 9. I was profitable my first 3 months, but I'll be honest, just like how I make a lot of money, I'd give back the markets a lot of money too, so that wasn't cool. I want to say like, it took me like about a year or two to really become profitable like how I like to be. Am I still at FIP? Nah, I'm not. Creating a double bottom, it could be a push though. Yeah. No, it's definitely doing structure, and that's why I'm staying on this time frame real quick, because it's setting up. It's definitely setting up for a little push. It's definitely setting up for a little push. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, say it ain't so, G baby. Come on, bro. Where's the momentum? Where's the love? At this point, count your days, GJ, because I'm on your ass. As soon as you hit what I need you to hit, I'm chucking up the deuces. So this reminds me of yesterday. I was $500 away from my goal, and I was floating in profit. And I just took my goal yesterday. This reminds me of the same thing. Well, I'm floating in profit, and I could take profit. The question is, what am I going to do? I just said, screw it. I'm going to take profit. F it. Yeah. Oh. What the heck? Alright, God. I see you got bigger plans for me. God said to don't close it yet. I tried to close it, and it didn't want to close. So let's see. I'm going to just do it from my phone. Oh, I closed out one position. God damn it. I did close a position. All right. Now, I feel like it's even more reason to hold now. Damn. I closed that one position. I'm fiending right now. Need that magic keys. I've been hearing that shit good too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the 8K. It's gonna give it to me. Gotta be a little patient. It's right there. It's gonna give it to me. And when it do give me this 8K, I'ma take it. I'ma do it. Alright, we right there. Go ahead and give me my 8K, please, so I can be done for the day. Go on now. You be a good GJ. Alright. Alrighty. Yes. It's gonna go. You guys gotta trust the process, man. It's gonna go. It's right there. That shit is right there. If it go lower than a certain number, I'll close it, but it's right there. I ain't gonna lie. The momentum is not looking good for my friends. So, screw it. I'ma just take profit right now. At least put some respect on my name. Yeah. Damn. It's like I'm having such a hard time hitting the close button. You ever have that issue? I'm having such a hard time hitting that close button. I think if I hit the 100, I'll definitely close it for real, for real. Oh. Alright. If I hit 7,000, like one something, like 150, I'll close it. Because that's the area that I need price to like mitigate from. Technically, you didn't get it because you closed the position. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Okay. Okay. Man, gonna lie, my GJ sentence is telling me not to close though. That shit telling me don't do it, nigga. But technically and life wise, I'd like to go definitely take a shower. I've been up since like 4 something. Yeah. I was like, I want to go wash my hair. I think I gotta go take out my trash. Hold on, did the trash trucks come already? Hold on, guys. God damn. Oh, take out my trash for me, gang. Damn. Yeah, guys. Oh, shit. The hell? What's going on? Fuck it. AK, I ain't mad. Holy shit. Yes, bitch. I'm done. I'm fucking done. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. And fuck you. God damn it. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, I'm done. Fuck that shit. Exits is on point. Exit was on point. Can I get a round of applause, please? Exit's on point. Let's go. Y'all see that exit? I don't even care what this market is doing right now. Fuck this shit. That exit was litty. Now I gotta ban people. Alright, man. So definitely up on my account. Feels good. You know what I'm saying? That exit though. And you know the craziest part is probably going to the New York session. It's probably gonna push way past this, but it's alright, man. I don't got nothing to prove. I had a good day today. Fuck that shit. Fuck all of that shit. You feel me? That's my thing, man. I don't be having nothing to prove. I just be trying to flow my groove. You feel me? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, man. Crazy live session. Came up on the account ski. That's all that, man. And yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Just look at it. I'm alright. Screw that. Listen, guys. I want to let y'all know it's been an amazing live session, man. Thank y'all so much for rocking with your boy. Thank you. Because from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate all y'all support. And, man, I'm thinking about doing this more for the culture and for the community, man. I appreciate y'all. Keep track of where GJ goes from here. Maybe it was a good exit. Maybe it wasn't. But for me, I was content with it. I was good. I still got it going up. But with that being said, man, I'm done for the day, man. If y'all made some money with me, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Just keep in mind what it is, when it is, how it is. But I definitely appreciate all y'all guys supporting me, man. Thank you. With that being said, though, I do got to wrap it up. God bless. I appreciate y'all, man, and doses.